The second important type of analytical chart is the bar chart. It is used to measure the actual performance with respect to some dimension that has a few categories. For example, we want to analyze total net sale with respect to category, subcategory, or location. Those are considered as categorical analysis. It has horizontal and or vertical orientation. Remember, if number of categories is less than or equal to 6, then use vertical orientation style, else use horizontal orientation style. For example, we are asked to analyze total net sale with respect to branch. So what are the steps? Right-click, new sheet object chart. Then we select bar chart because we are doing categorical analysis. Okay, so our dimension will be the branch and the system will ask us about the expression that contains the measures. We will write sum of the net sale. Next step, okay, we will have a chart similar to this one. Okay, to do some enhancement, to have those values, okay, we have to take values on data points from the expression. Also, we can change the bar to look like a cylinder, and the number will be in integer format, and we will have like those grids. So the enhancements we have to do, okay, right click on the chart, we select properties. On the general tab, we give it a name. On the expression, we take values on data points. We give label to the expression. And on the number tab, we take integer. And on the style tab, okay, orientation is horizontal or vertical. Look, we can select the cylinder or regular or 3D. On the axis tab, we take on the show grid. So let us go and do it. So right click, new sheet object, chart. This is bar chart. Next, we are doing analysis in this exercise according to the city, according to the branch. So I have to select the branch, add. Next, they are asking to have the sum of net sale. I select the net sale. Okay, I press on OK. I press on finish, and this is the chart. Okay, but the chart, it has to be enhanced. So enhancement, right click, properties, and then on the general, I can say analysis of net sales according to branch. Okay, and then on the expression, I take values on data points. On the axis, I press on show grid. On the style, I select cylindrical, and on the number, I select integer, apply, and OK. So that's it. To remove the sum of net sale from here, it is the expression that you have on the general, show title in the chart, remove it, and you will have this one. So those in Ashrafia and Hamra, because here we select in Beirut. If you remove in Beirut, you see all the branches all over Lebanon. But as we see here, we have two charts. To have two charts just in one container, so we can add those two charts to a container. You do right click, new sheet object, you select container, and you can add those two charts that we created to the container, and then apply and OK. Then we created here a container that contains the two charts, and then the ones that we have on the dashboard, we delete them because we have a copy now on the container. and then we can drag and drop the container that contains the two charts, okay, in this format. Okay, now if you want the first one, you select on this, you want the second one, you select on this. So we can add as much as we want of analytical charts on this container. And on this way, those, to remind you, those are your dimensions that applies the filters, and at the middle panel you will have your analytical measures that shows your figures.